Pandora Treasure 3D arcade console comes with an impressive library of 30,000 pre-installed games, offering a nostalgic trip back to classic arcade gaming while also supporting modern 3D games. Its compatibility with high-definition televisions, monitors, and projectors via HDMI and VGA ensures a vibrant gaming experience with full HD graphics at a resolution of 1280 by 720 pixels. The console's user-friendly interface allows players to customize button configurations to their liking and supports multiplayer gaming for up to 4 players simultaneously. Designed with style and durability in mind, the console features an LED-backlit acrylic upper panel and a sleek, ergonomic design with a built-in speaker adaptable for various settings. The Pandora Treasure 3D arcade console is highly versatile, supporting connections to PCs, laptops, and other devices via USB, and it includes a 3.5mm aux audio output for external audio devices. With features like a favorite list, game search function, and pause-resume capabilities, this console ensures a seamless and enjoyable gaming experience for users.